This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Liberian potato salad. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, 6 hard-boiled eggs, and 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise. Don't forget 1/4 cup each of finely chopped celery and onion for that crucial crunch. Also, have 1/2 cup of sweet relish and 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard ready to go. These foundational items are key to achieving the authentic flavor profile. Next, let's prepare the main components. Boil your 2 pounds of potatoes until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. While they cook, peel and chop your 6 hard-boiled eggs into nice, medium-sized pieces. Once the potatoes are done, drain them thoroughly and let them cool completely. This cooling step is vital for the salad's texture. After cooling, peel the potatoes and cut them into bite-sized chunks, ready for mixing. Now for the exciting part, combining everything. In a large mixing bowl, gently add your cooled, chopped potatoes, the hard-boiled eggs, celery, and onion. Next, incorporate the 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sweet relish, and 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Mix everything carefully until all ingredients are well coated and evenly distributed. Finally, season with salt and black pepper to your preference, perhaps starting with 1/2 teaspoon of each. Then adjust. The final steps are simple but crucial for a perfect Liberian potato salad. Once mixed, cover your bowl tightly and refrigerate the salad for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a richer, more harmonious taste. Before serving, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of paprika for an appealing presentation. Remember to check the description for the Darn Tough Socks link and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Liberian potato salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.